This is what's bad about Restore, unfortunately. Not a lot of stretch. This is Restore 10X. It's either Restore or Restore 10X, one or the other. It's a hard, tough coating for decks. And if you manage to get good adhesion with it, and most homeowners don't, but if you do manage to get good adhesion with it, it can be very tough for a couple years. And actually provides pretty decent protection and pretty decent water lockout and stuff like that. But eventually its downfalls, it's its inability to put up with this expansion and contraction of wood. And also, from what I've seen, Restore, its other major downfall is the UV rays destroy its adhesion. And in some cases more so than the stretch. It just depends on the particular system. This one is out here in the middle of the sun. It's been eaten up bad by UV rays, extremely bad. This is a mild to moderate case of Restore 10X failure. In a lot of situations, it's a lot more blotchy than this, and you can see why the homeowner's puzzled after this, right? Because they're not aware of what they can do or how they can resolve this. It's a big mystery to them. It's like they have this big giant coating on their deck system, and every painter that comes out and looks at it for them doesn't want to touch it. If they have a deck builder or somebody come out and they're telling them, hey, it's a complete rebuild, we're never getting this off of here, right? Now if you look at the outside of the system itself, where the boards are vertical and they miss some of that UV, the UV rays, the UVA and UVB rays, don't smack them directly dead on. You can see that pretty decent coverage, right? Not a lot of problems, right? But when you get to that floor where the UV rays are bad, it's kind of what you're getting. So just wanted to show you guys sort of what goes on with Restore 10X and the problems that most homeowners face after a few years. Not most, I can't say most, and that would be wrong of me to say. Plenty, let's just say that plenty of people that use it end up having this problem. I deal with them a lot, and it's one of the main coatings that I have become notorious for locking down and encapsulating. And it's a tough coating to encapsulate, actually. If you're not careful, it can be a bad situation. Also, they'll never fully lose this appearance. So even though we encapsulate it, it still has this kind of rough textured look, which it ends up okay. But the hope is once we prep this with high pressure that a lot of this comes off, 60-70% of it. That's the hope.